PG. Son, you body this beat.
Edge on the right fender, right? Edge on the right fender. Alright, that's it. Let me see that other side. Yeah. Right, that's it. See that little part right there, man? I can put that little polyester in that. We ain't covering up. Damn it. You see that? So don't put no more paint there, so I'll put a touch of little polyester. In there, so. Let me see if the next side come up. Next side better, okay? Can't pull up that with paint, but that side. Worship. Alright, so got it based up last night. Come back today, which is Thursday. But now you see this line here. I thought that would cover up, but I realized it was a sticker and they peel the sticker off. You know, when you have these pinstripes, they always leave the line that gets from the glue. There's something about the glue that leave the chemical down into the paint, and you'll never get rid of that line unless you sand it out. And a lot of it been sanded off just on the trunk and on this door here, got a little here on this door, on both sides of the trunk. So I'm going to proceed to block them out, and hopefully you can cover it up somewhat with paint. But sometimes it comes right back through. But at this point, I'm going to sand it out, and hopefully I get it out 100%. Infinity S37S G37. Over there. Okay, so got this line out. So now I'm gonna move on to the next side. Plus I got a touch up to do. Put a little polyester here. Okay, there you go. See them little little craters right there. See them? Right there. Put a little polyester there. We got a little bit on the other side to this. They had some kind of tape there that I scraped off. You can barely see it here. Yeah, it's gonna come out nice when you get a base like this. You let it air out like this. Come back the next day and go over it, catch all the little imperfection, all the little things that we missed, scratches and divots and whatnot, and final will be almost perfect because the base is looking real good right now, real good except for those little imperfections. All right, let me get on it. All right, so we have them cover up now, dry out, cover them dry, and them never react, so that is a big plus. So now we can let it dry out now, leave for about the next hour, make it dry, and then just knock down everything with a 1000, or I use 600, and then proceed to put on the final coat. Yeah, I hate that. All right, doing up the finals on the open air spraying, but trust me, she laid out pretty nice. She laid out very nice, no dust, very nice and clean, as if it's in a booth. No dust, nice and clean. Just await the clear coat right now. Yeah, GNE Bills.
Son, you bodied this beat.